here from justdid8.com, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make ginger paste. It's really easy. All right, let's hit the kitchen.
Yeah.
Definitely hit the red subscribe button and the bell, and since you're right there, hit the share and the like button. Why not? First things first, we need some ginger. Now, I was able to pick it up at my local grocery store, and we need a mixing bowl with some water. Now, to peel these gingers, all you need is a spoon. I know, right? Who would have thought you just need a spoon? You could have a handy dandy fancy tool, but all you need is a spoon. After you peel them with a spoon, you go ahead and put it in the water so that we could reuse that ginger water later on in the paste. Now we're going to be slicing our gingers, and we're practically cubing them. Now when you cut into a ginger, it's literally like cross between slicing an apple and slicing a pineapple and radish. It's the same texture all at once. It's very fibrous with the hairs. I don't know if y'all can see that. And it's very crunchy as I slice into it. Real quick, definitely hit the red subscribe button and the bell so that you could be an 8 or 2, and definitely share out this recipe because it's so easy they could make it too. After we've cubed our ginger, we're going to put it into our blending vessel and a couple tablespoons of that ginger water. We're going to put in 1/4 teaspoon, which is 1.25 milliliters of turmeric, and we're going to be putting in 1/2 teaspoon, which is 2.5 milliliters of pink Himalayan salt. And then we're going to be putting in 1 teaspoon, which is 5 milliliters of coconut oil. You could go ahead and use whatever oil you like, but I prefer coconut oil. We put our lid on and blend. After you got it blended, you could put it into a container. Now, I prefer to put it in a glass jar like this one. If you're curious to, I don't know, buy a set of the same jars as I'm using, go ahead and check out the link in the description down below because I have purchased them on Amazon.com. And we're just simply putting them into the 6-ounce hexagon jars. If you don't have a glass container, put it in a Ziploc bag. What's really cool about putting it in the Ziploc bag is you could put it in the freezer and just break a chunk of it when you are needing some ginger paste in your recipe. Definitely hit the like button and the red subscribe button and the bell so that you could get a notification whenever we upload another video. And hey, maybe hit the share button, share it out with your family and friends. And here's a shout out of the week from the last uploaded video. Did you know that we did a cookbook? Check out our link in the description box below. And remember, friends, always expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's just keep chasing the flavor, my eaters. I'll see you in the next video. See you in the next video. Real quick, are you liking this kind of content? Definitely hit the red subscribe button and the bell so that tells me that you like this video.